Good morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Bit cold this morning because I've never woke so early. But yesterday I got invitation to film how the excavator dismantling the beaver dams. So we have 3 of them, and it will be removed once in one time. So there are the first one. It's not very high, and there you can see the rest of the dams. So those dams under the water, it's not the full under the water, but it's you can see it looks like that they are small, but this water covers big part of it. So I'm waiting excavator to come. He said that he will be 8 o'clock in the morning, so left 5 minutes. We'll see what's gonna happen. Should be interesting video. So see you soon, guys. Excavator has arrived. He actually was cleaning this canal yesterday, and he was making it all day. So this morning he's gonna start to remove those dams, and some part of the channel gonna clean too. It will be interesting to watch what current we gonna have. The water is draining significantly. I would like to make the same with my hands. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next dam. Here we go. Very nice scoop. There are some pipes left there. But the water is not flowing through these pipes. Christ. A lot of mud. And the water is coming from both canals. Maybe in this video we're gonna see some beavers, because when the water is running fast, the beavers could not hide.